This is at the Crystal Center. Check this out. My first Dominion. Oh, good God. Oh, come on. Sorry. Oops. Here, Jason.
Hello.
Would you like to have a seat?
Oh, yes. I'll sit and wait for the elevator.
Oh, man. It's got the old fire key box.
And read the sign. If you feel the steps will be too much for you, the elevator is located in the lobby.
Really? As if you didn't like, I like how like they let you know, oh, thank God, I didn't notice it right here.
Yeah.
All right. This is my first time riding an elevator with these buttons.
Look at that. The one lights up when you push it on.
Oh, that's funky. Old, simple logic. Sounds cool. No PI. It's a Dominion. That's awesome. Yeah, this old GL just isn't common in Chicago. Love these buttons. Oh, Andrew doesn't have these yet.
We do, just not with the complete white ones.
Alright, back down. Oh yeah, I hear the relays up here. That's weird.
Machine room's on 3.
That's bizarre. Capacity is 1,500? Yeah, 75 feet per minute. That's why it's so slow.
It's very slow.
I was once on a Lake Montgomery.
Oh, you can come on. You going?
You coming in?
Yeah, you can come in.
Oh, okay, all right.
No worries.
Because this elevator is so small.
Y'all come on up.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you're going up?
We're going
You're
down.
going down.
No, we're going down.
Oh, okay. Well, that's. Oh,
We're going down.
Sure. Okay.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. This is a scary elevator.
It is old.
It
And
is.
dark.
It sure
Yes,
is
it is.
old. It is
And
old.
tiny.
For real.
It is old.
It's not the one you want to get stuck in.
Definitely not.
Hey, take care. Have a great day.
All right, y'all too.